morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Well, y'all just saw what our morning was like here. I was so surprised that it was snowing outside. I mean, I know a lot of you all are just used to snow, but this is something that we only get occasionally here in Dallas. Hubby is at work. I'm getting up now, gotten dressed. I'm getting up and about to fix me an omelet. I am hungry, so I'm just grabbing some things out the fridge. How y'all morning going this morning? Well, this one is going great. I am ready to get started. Y'all see my sign? Yeah, that's pretty much how it is in this house. But anyway, back to the omelet. Okay, guys, so I got 2 skillets on the stove. One is basically for my sausage that I'm about to cook and put in there. And let me go ahead and turn it on because I have the wrong burner on. That might not be a good idea. Excuse the noise in the background, but honey, I have to multitask today. I have a lot on my plate and I'm trying to get all this done. So I got the washer and dryer going, so hopefully it won't be so bad. So I put my sausage in the skillet. The skillet is still getting hot, so we're gonna just let that hang out for a minute as it warms up and the skillet warms up and get that to sizzling. And then I will start breaking it up. You can see the smoke already going up around it, so it won't be long. But meanwhile, let's look at our vegetables. Here I am chopping up my sausage with a meat chopper. And you're just going to break it up and you kind of knock it off. It helps to dice up your ground meat. And of course this is ground pork sausage here. I'm going to turn this down because this particular brand of sausage, I don't know if it just has, but it browns fast. If you don't watch it, it'll actually burn. So I'll turn it down low. But yeah, see how it kind of gets it crumbled up for me? So yeah, we're going to let that just hang out there and then we'll be right back. We're going to turn our attention back to our veggies. So now I have chopped up my bell peppers, got that chopped up. And I'm going to go ahead on and let me shut that, all that off my plate. I'm going to go ahead and put my onion in there now. And what I'm about to do now is drop the veggies right on top. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is get my cheese together. Like I said, I have this block of cheese and it's a medium cheddar. You know, the cheese is another thing that you can decide what you want to put in your omelet. So I am going to get a nice piece of this cheese here. Go ahead and shred this up. Amen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shred this up here in the bowl. Stay with me, bowl. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This is not how this works. You know, sometimes you get these things and you don't realize what you got yourself. So I can actually just shred it like this. Oh, it's making a mess on the counter, but that's what counters do when you're cooking. And don't need much. I don't put a lot of cheese, just a little bit. but gonna shred it up. And once I get it shredded up, I am gonna take it right here, and it's on. I just slide this thing out, and it goes right into the bowl. And now we're gonna do our eggs. All right, guys. So 3 eggs should make me a very nice omelet. Hubby might roll in any moment, and if he does, then I can share this omelet. I got to share. You know how it is being married. Your spouse always wants whatever you got. So yeah. All right. So we're gonna give these eggs a nice good whisk. I think I should have had the cheese in this bowl and the eggs in the other one. But that's okay. I'm making it work. I'm very good at omelets, but lately, guys, I've really been messing up, but I think I got it down pat this time. Okay?
Okay.
Hubby, all you do is pull up a chair to the table, so don't go there.
I cracked the eggs.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's do this. Just take my cheese and put on top of it, right? But before I do that, this is an overstuffed omelet, which is fine. I love it that way. But what I'm going to do is flip it one more time. Show you how you work with it. So I take it. Now see, it's split, right? It's torn right here. So it's going to be a little difficult to hold it together, but we're going to try. It's not going to let me, guys. It's not going to let me hold it together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it. It's perfect anyway. I can have a piece for me and a piece for hubby. And I'll take this piece, hold it together, flip it. Oh well. How about that? We got an omelet fail, but guess what? It only failed for one reason, guys, and that's because I overstuffed it. Don't overstuff your omelet. Be patient. So I'm gonna go ahead on still. It would have been just beautiful. Put my cheese on top. Put my cheese on top. And I think I'm gonna put some parsley on top of that. Let me see if I have some in here. I do. Put my parsley on top. This is all about the flavor. Yeah, I always do that. I guess I'm just kind of creeped up. You know, things like that. I just overstuffed it. Need more eggs, that's all. Could have just made it bigger with some more eggs. But, okay, that's the omelet. Look at there, see? And I'm going to go ahead and put it on the salsa, guys. So I'll be right back. There. It would have been nice if it had turned out nice, right? Let me get the other half of honey. Get this half. And I better not complain too much because I don't like when I complain about little things like this. You're like, oh, Cassandra, please. Yeah, that's what you tell me. Oh, Cassandra, please. It don't have to be perfect. Yep, guys. That's hubby's, and that's mine. Okay. As you can see, had it not split, guys, I would have had some control over it. Had no control over once it breaks up. Just overstuffed it. Now I'm gonna eat, and then I'm going to try to go ahead on and tackle my kitchen.